There are things in science that most people don't know. Some discoveries were hidden, some were ignored, and some were just too strange to accept. But they all have one thing in common. If they are true, they could change how we see the world forever. In this video, you'll learn the dangerous experiment that was buried for decades, the shocking truth about time travel and why it's not science fiction, the strange pattern in the universe that scientists can't explain. But first, let's ask a question. Why would anyone keep these things hidden? The answer is simple. Some ideas are so big, so disruptive, that they could shake the foundation of what we think we know. Secret number 1, the experiment that was covered up. In the 1950s, a group of researchers conducted an experiment that changed how we understand human consciousness. They wanted to see what would happen if a person was completely cut off from the outside world. No light, no sound, no human contact. They expected mild discomfort. Instead, the test subjects began to hallucinate, lose track of time, and even question their own existence. The results were disturbing. Some scientists believed they had uncovered something terrifying, that our brains need constant stimulation to stay connected to reality. Without it, we start to break down. This led to questions about how our minds actually work. Are we truly aware of the world, or do we just piece together whatever information we're given? This study was quietly shut down. Some say it was because of ethical concerns. Others believe it was because the results were too unsettling. Secret number 2, the truth about time travel. Most people think time travel is just a fantasy. But according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time isn't as fixed as we think. Scientists have proven that time can slow down or speed up depending on speed and gravity. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually age a little slower than people on Earth. But here's where it gets even stranger. Some researchers believe we may already be seeing signs of time travel. There are recorded events, people appearing in places they shouldn't be, predictions that seem too accurate, even photos that show things that don't belong in history. While mainstream science avoids these stories, physicists continue to explore the possibility that time doesn't work the way we think. If we ever learn how to control it, it could change everything, from how we explore space to how we understand life itself. Secret number 3, the ocean's hidden mysteries. We often look up at the stars, wondering if there's life out there. But what about down below? More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. Scientists have discovered deep sea creatures that look like something from another planet. Some emit their own light. Some survive in toxic environments with no oxygen. And then there's the mysterious sounds, deep, low-frequency noises picked up by underwater microphones. Some of these sounds have been explained, like shifting ice or underwater earthquakes, but a few remain unknown. Could they be evidence of something we haven't discovered yet? Many believe that the ocean holds answers about the origins of life. If there's a place on Earth where science still has secrets, it's down there, hidden beneath miles of water. Secret number 4, a strange pattern in the universe. For years, physicists have been looking for something strange, an underlying pattern in the way the universe works, and they may have found it. Scientists studying the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, noticed something odd. Certain patterns in space seem too perfect, too structured, as if they were designed. Some call it the cosmic fingerprint. Others say it could be evidence that our universe isn't random at all. But the biggest question is this: if the universe is structured like a code, who or what created it? Secret number 5, the theory that could change everything. Some researchers have suggested something shocking. that reality itself might be a simulation. The idea sounds like science fiction, but many leading scientists take it seriously. The theory suggests that our universe runs on fixed mathematical rules, just like a computer program. Everything, light, gravity, even consciousness, could be part of a larger system. One experiment even suggested that particles behave differently when they are being observed, almost as if reality knows when it's being watched. If true, this would mean that our reality isn't as solid as we think. And if it is a simulation, the question becomes, who or what built it? Conclusion: the secrets are just the beginning. We've explored 5 secrets: an experiment that questioned reality, a truth about time, a hidden world in the ocean, a cosmic pattern, and a theory that could change everything. Each one brings us closer to understanding the universe. But they also remind us that science is full of mysteries. The more we discover, the more questions we have. So what do you think? Could these secrets be real? Could there be even bigger ones we haven't uncovered yet? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing science, don't forget to subscribe. The universe is full of mysteries. Let's uncover them together.